was. Woo! It's your boy Ty Bush up Ultra back in the building with another one. Already Forex Boss. Back in the building with another one. Of course, again, Forex Boss. What's good though, y'all? This week was an excellent week. I'll just keep it funky with y'all. I'm building my account. We're gonna build an account and start from scratch, and we're gonna take it all the way to the top. We're not even gonna play no more. Feel me? So I launched my Boston University this week, early on in the week. You guys can go check it out at bostonblueprint.com. Yeah. You need the coupon code if you want to get that discount right there on the startup. You heard? But it's all good. Check it though. We here. We in the building. Yeah, man. It's Friday. Markets is closed. I took a gold trade. I was in a gold trade today. Not today, but this week. I was gonna jump out. I didn't. I'm holding. I'm up probably about 200 something pips. Let's go ahead and go take a look, see what we got. Alright, cool. This is my goal. We're gonna go to another chart. You know, that's my special chart. You know, my special chart. Alright. So even this one is a little bit better, it's more clean. Right? I don't really care about this. But as you can see, I marked it up on two different joints, but right here, I jumped in the trade right around there. We're going to get the coordinates right now. $18.20. So that's what I jumped in at. Okay. So let's go get one of these lines here. I'm going to raise $18.20. Wow, right around this area here, I jumped in the trade. So as you can see, what happened? Okay, I jumped in the trade actually after this long candle here, and I said, okay, we're gonna go for a sell, and you know, I marked it up, and right at $18.20, it hit, activated me in the trade, and it dropped. We on the daily. Let's switch to the 4-hour. Okay, as you notice, the two double tops. Okay, got a pin here. And you got a pin here. Those are two indications right there for the M formations. Okay. That's what's going on right there. That's why you got that drop too. So it's also like confluences, they call it. You know what I'm saying? Confirmations. The more confirmations you get, you can take the trade. You can take the trade. So I jumped in the trade there. We right here right now. Okay. Let's see how much pips I'm up right now. Right now I'm up 230 pips. Alright, 230 pips. Alright, yeah. So we up. Alright, we up, y'all. We up. It's a lot of pippage going on right here. 300 pips, you know what I'm saying? So right now, this is what we waiting for. We waiting for the retest here, and then continuation drop. And if we get the continuation drop right around this area, right around these zones, we should be looking to get out. Yep, should be looking to get out. Right around here. Right around these zones. Cause we already broke. It's a trend. I know you see this and it broke up, but this is a fake out. That's a fake out. That's why you have this candle here. Remember, you have this retest. It can pull up. It can pull up. But it's not gonna pull up. It's not gonna pull up there. If it do, it'll probably start dropping like right around here. And yeah, we probably gonna be going up. You know what I mean? But this right here, straight retest and then drop. That's what's going on here. That's what's going on here. If I'm wrong, then we going up. We going up. Facts. You know what I mean? But you know, I don't be wrong like that. Yeah, I ain't gonna hold you. You know what I'm saying? So this trade right here, we in right here. I also had jumped in GJ. Okay. Yep. I'm in GJ right now for sale. Probably gonna sell it to like right around these areas. You know what I'm saying? And look to see if it breaks and go lower. You know what I'm saying? Because if it goes lower, that'll be good. You know what I mean? I'll be looking forward to buy or look for buys right around this zone, this area here. You know what I mean? Maybe so. You know what I'm saying? But if I get ahead and throw my fibs on there real quick. Yeah, pan out to be right around those zones. Okay? Right around those zones here. I'll be looking for buys. You know what I'm saying? So, yeah, that's what we're looking at right there. We're looking good though. This week we looking good. We're making money. We got like a nice little, retest going on. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm gonna sell it to like right around here, these areas here. If it breaks below, now it'll be a good situation for you. You know what I mean? So yeah, that's what we got right now. That's what I got. All USD. This is also another one that I wanted to jump in, but it didn't happen. This one, I know I had marked up something with the Euro USD, I think. I'm not sure. Yeah, here we go. That's what I'm waiting for. There we go. So I'm waiting for the market to come right around these zones here. Maybe even push up to here. And then nice sell down. Nice sell down to these lows right here. Alright? That's what we looking for. We looking for some big pippage, y'all. Big pippage right here. See? There we go. Number 300, 400 pips. Move. Yeah. That's what we doing. We doing big moves, man. We don't do little small moves. We don't do small moves. You know what I'm saying? So I got my alarm set so when it hit, I get notified. UJ. Remember I lost UJ earlier this week. Last week. Last week was it? Or the week before? I lost. It was pushing up. I got in the sale right around these lows here, and it broke below. It broke above those lows. So I'm thinking it was gonna go, gonna be a flag. It broke above the flag. You know what I'm saying? This is the first time I ever marked it up like this, especially with the flag and stuff. So I'm kind of like learning right now, market structure. You know what I'm saying? So as you can see, the market is going to push down. It left money here. Probably still is in the flat, but I broke above this top. So you already know what's going to happen. Retest and we out. Yeah. Retest and we out. But I think this thing right here, this thing gonna push back down here into the cipher here and then continue up. That's all we might be hitting for. Might be hitting for that. Might have to go up on a higher time frame even, just to find out what's going on. Oh, nice little pin. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. See? Easy sell. Easy sell to this area here. Okay? Easy sell to this area here. Maybe come back down here. Maybe even have a nice fall. Whoa, look at this. Wow. Wow. Left money down here. Down here, we got money down here. You know what I'm saying? Throw that bad boy in there like that. Just like that. Now we know where the market's gonna go. Now we know where the market's gonna go. These are the previous highs right here. See? Probably can get even a nice little sale around these areas here. You know what I'm saying? Those highs. But we're gonna see what happens, how the market's gonna move. You know what I mean? We're gonna see how the market's gonna move. So, you know what I mean? I mean, we can look at some more, I guess. Look at some more. GU, yeah. Yeah, GU was another one. I didn't jump in it though. See what I'm looking for? See what I'm looking for? We already know where we going. We already know where we going. Let's drop down to the lower time frame. Let's go. You know where we going. Look for sale here. Yeah, little short sale. Right here, buy. Take it up. Let's go. Trust me, from right here to right here, that's a nice little pippage right there, you know. Some nice little pippage right there. It's 150 pips, 185 pips. Real fast. Real fast. Oh yeah, real fast. That thing ain't breaking above that. That thing ain't breaking above that. That market open. That boy gonna be coming back down here, right around these zones here, and shoot back up. Because look, here go your previous low here. There you go, right there. Okay? So anywhere in between this zone. Let me just put this up like this. Boom. Anywhere in there. Anywhere in there. We good. We good. We taking it up for a nice bull run. Right around these zones here, these highs here. So we'll be looking for a nice little, can't see the numbers. Nice little 400 pips. Come on, guys. Like, let's get it. Let's get it. Let's get it. Flux with me. You heard? We already broke the trend. Here, that's why it's moving up. Okay? This was the previous low. We moving above that now. If y'all stick with me, I will show y'all some stuff that I can't and I will not show on YouTube. That's a fact. You know what I mean? But I'm trying to show you the skills right now. You know what I mean? I'm trying to show you the skills because I don't want nobody. You know what I see? I see a lot of traders or a lot of people on social media and they posting a lot of nonsense. You know what the nonsense is? The nonsense is signals. I'm not a fan of signals because I want to learn how to do it myself. To me, it's pointless. You sitting there, you bragging or you happy or whatever, and you taking trades from somebody else. Like, this is what you doing. This is how you making your money. You're not even trying to better yourself and learn how you doing that. So it's like, to me, when I see things like that, I just laugh. You guys shouldn't do this. Instead of becoming a professional signal taker, join Bossed Up University and become a professional signal provider. Yeah, that part. Yeah, that part. Once you're able to do these things and you're able to provide it, one, you'll make more money. Two, you don't have to depend on anybody or anything. I see a lot of this Forex stuff going on social media. Robot this, robot that, or signal this and signal that. Next month they doing something else. I don't want no parts of that life. Because now I'm comfortable. I know how to trade. It don't take me that long to find a setup. It really don't. Literally, the most it might take me is 5 minutes to set it up and everything. Oh no. So look, man. That's how we gonna do it, man. It's a Friday recap of the week. You already know. It's Bossed Up to Live a Good Life, and this is what we're doing. We're building the account. So like and subscribe to my channel. Show me some love. Show me some love. And let's get to it, man. Let's get to this money together. You know what I'm saying? Let's get to this money together, man. Boss up. Or continue to get bossed around. You know we bossed up to live a good life already.